In this video, we are going to learn how you can create Zoho Sheet records for Pipedrive CRM person. So let's suppose you use this Pipedrive as your CRM software application. Now you want that whenever a new person is added to your Pipedrive CRM application, automatically the same person details should be added to your Zoho Sheet as a new record. For that, you need to integrate Pipedrive with Zoho Sheet. So here your trigger application would be Pipedrive and your action application would be Zoho Sheet. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that, you need to come to my screen. So welcome to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. If you are a new user, you have to just click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you are going to get free task every month. If you are already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Create Zoho Sheet Records for Pipedrive CRM person. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever a new person is added to your Pipedrive CRM account, automatically the same person details should be added to your Zoho Sheet also. For that, first we need to integrate Pipedrive with Pabbly Connect. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Pipedrive. Select the trigger event as new person. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. And now it is asking for the API token. So let us read the instructions. You can find the API token by logging to your Pipedrive account. After login, go to the settings, personal preferences, and you can find the API. So I'll just take you to the Pipedrive account. So this is my Pipedrive contact section where you can see I don't have any contacts over here. I don't have any person. So first let us create an integration so that we can create a new contact over here. For creating a connection, we have to just click on this profile, click on personal preferences and click on API. And here we can find the API key. So I'm just going to copy this API key and we'll be pasting the same over here to create a connection. And now let's click on save. And now the Pipedrive account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Pipedrive account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into a Pipedrive account. Now here it is asking for the company domain. Enter your Pipedrive company domain over here. Example, Pabbly Connect is the company domain from the URL. So if this is your URL, then Pabbly Connect will be your company domain. So let's move to my Pipedrive account once again. And from here you can see CONPAB. Conpab is my company domain. So I'll be just copying it and I'll be pasting the same over here. So you have to copy your company domain and you have to just paste it over here. Okay. Now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can say that it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to create a new person in our Pipedrive account. For that, I have already created a registration form using Pipedrive. So whenever this form will be filled, automatically a new person will get created into my Pipedrive account. Okay, over here. So let's fill up the form. Let's give the the full name as demo customer. Email address as demo@pabblytudes.com. Let's enter the phone number over here. And company name as Pabbly. Now let's click on submit. So registration submitted. Thank you for registering with us. So the form has been filled. Now let's move to the Pipedrive account. And here we can find a new person created, name as demo customer, email address as demo@pabblytudes.com. We can find the phone number and the organization is Pabbly. So now we are going to move back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see that the same response is captured over here also. When we scroll down, we can find the details. Okay, I'll just show the details. Yes, organization name as Pabbly, first name as demo, email address as demo@pabblytudes.com. Here we can find the owner name. Okay, here we can find the last name also. So in this way we can see the phone number is also captured. So all the details related to the new person or a new people is captured over here. So now we want these details to be added to my Zoho sheet, which I have already created. That is Pipedrive contacts. And here I have collecting the same details. That is the name, email address, phone number, and the organization name of the person. And here you can see that my sheet name is sheet 1. So now I'll be integrating this particular Zoho sheet with Pabbly Connect. So move back to Pabbly Connect. Let's scroll down, come to this action window, and here choose the application name as Zoho Sheet. Select the action event as Create Row. Click on Connect, click on Add New Connection, and click on Connect with Zoho Sheet. Now it is asking for the domain. Enter the domain your Zoho account belongs to from the below. So I'll just take you to the Zoho sheet once again, and here you can see that my domain is zoho.com. So I'll be giving the same over here, that is zoho.com. So here you have to paste your domain from the URL. Okay, and now let's click on Save. Now it is asking for the access. So let's click on Accept to give over the permissions over here. Authorization successful, and now the Zoho sheet is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we have created a connection, here we can find all the workbooks that I have created in my Zoho sheet account. Okay, you can find all the workbooks. So here our workbook name is Pipedrive Contacts. So I'll be selecting the same over here as Pipedrive Contacts. And as I have created a single sheet in this particular workbook, the sheet name is automatically captured. But if you have created multiple sheets from the drop down, you have to select your specific sheet name. Okay. Now here it is asking for the name, email address, phone number, and organization name, the details that needs to be entered in this particular sheet. So we are going to map the details that we have got from our trigger response over here. Okay, so for mapping, simply scroll down, and here we have to just come to the trigger response of Pipedrive, and here let us find the name, that is demo, and along with that the last name also, that was customer, I guess. Yes, demo customer. He will be mapping the email address again from our trigger response, that is demo@pabblytudes.com. He will be mapping the phone number, and he will be mapping the organization name, that was Pabbly. Okay, so we have entered all the details. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new data is added to your Zoho sheet. Let's check it. Okay, and here we have got the new details, name as demo customer, email address as demo@pabblytudes.com. Here we have got the phone number as well as the organization name as Pabbly. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now, as we have set up an automation, this is a one-time process. Next time, whenever you're going to add a new person to your Pipedrive CRM account, automatically the same person details will be added to your Zoho sheet automatically. So now we are going to check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, let's move to the form, and here I'm just going to fill up the form on the name of some other person. Let's give the name as dummy name. Okay, email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Let's enter the phone number, and company name as Pabbly Connect. And now let's click on Submit. So the form has been filled. Now first let us check whether a new person is created in our Pipedrive account or not. So here we can find a new customer as dummy name. Here we can find the email address, phone number, and the organization as Pabbly Connect. Now let us check our Zoho sheet also. And here we have got the new name details added, that is dummy name, email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com, phone number as well as the organization name. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a new person is added to your Pipedrive account, automatically the person details are captured in Pabbly Connect, and then using those details we have added a new data to our Zoho sheet. And in this way we have learned that how we can create Zoho sheet records for Pipedrive CRM person using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.